What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to our very rainy London. We are heading off on another trip and I'm going to take you with me. So I've currently got two trades going. We've got one on gold, which is just here. I'll put screen record on so you can see. Basically, the idea of this one was a break back into a Asia range and prices pushing up from there. The second trade is a breakout of the Asia range on the US 30. And we're looking for this to continue up for the day, as the weekly candle is looking very strong and there's lots of daily interest up ahead. So that's what we're looking at today. We're heading to somewhere that is also could be quite rainy, but may also be a bit colder than here. So join me on the adventure, and it's going to be a whole weekend. So let's go. To the airport. Let's get a beer and some food. Right then, guys, so made it into the airport, just smashed out that Shake Shack, and the US 30 trade is playing around a bit. We've got a little bit of sort of consolidation, but we're consolidating above the resistance there, which is now hopefully going to become a nice support, and we're going to look price to go up to that first white line up here, which is going to be TP1. There's a bit of salt on the screen there. So we're just going to wait and see. My flight isn't for another hour and a half, yeah, if we haven't got hit first TP by the time I get on the flight, then do I leave the trade or do I manage the trade before I get on the flight? That is the question. I'm going to see how it goes, yeah, let's come back in a bit. For now, I'm going to drink this beer and then we're going to go to Wetherspoons and probably drink some more beer. Right then, guys, so just popped into W.H. Smith's to grab some supplies for the flight and stuff, and as I did that I got a couple of alerts to say that we had absolutely blown up on US 30. It was 1:30, so that's New York Open. Obviously a huge amount of volume came in, pushed up, and we smashed through TP1. In fact, we smashed through so quickly I didn't even have a chance to manage it. So I've just taken, I've actually closed out completely. We actually closed out up here at I think it was 33023. Let's just pull back a bit there. So happy with that. Great way to start the trip. And yeah, we're gonna go get another beer. Wait for this flight. Let's do it. Boarding time. Scotland. And we're up here for the Brits, which is the British snowboard and ski championships of all the British people. That's why it's called the Brits. So we're going to be going into that. I think I've entered into a competition as well. So the weekend's going to be that, and yeah, maybe some crypto trading, but probably not. Probably just snowboarding instead. So enjoy. So we're on the way to the mountain, Cairngorm Mountain, to go watch the British Ski Championships. It's the weekend, so there's not much going on the charts, but we're looking at Bitcoin right now, and we just had a fake out of the overnight lows, so we're going to go for a buy on this. We're going to target the overnight highs, and then we'll manage to trade on the way up. So he's getting really annoyed with the Scottish drivers. But we'll see how this goes throughout the day, and today's going to be fun, so let's have some fun.
Spend £10 for 2 beers, and everyone else bought me beers and shots.
Alright then, guys, so we hit our first TP. We took TP off the top of that high there. Stop loss has been hit at break even, So we're just gonna see how this goes, maybe take a re-entry, but for now we took that win, and yeah, I'm gonna go down and get the snowboard because my friend forgot to bring the van keys, and enjoy this view. Then we're gonna go back up and we'll see what's going on. Alright then guys, so we made it to the Brits. We're on Cairngorm, I think I pronounced it right, mountain, and yeah, as you can see there's not much snow about, but they made it work, and we're going to be here for the next 2 days basically just watching the competitions. I'm entered in for the slalom, bank slalom as well. My friend entered me into that, so that's going to be fun. Hopefully get some footage of that, and then yeah, just going to have fun, hang out with the homies, and I'll film as much as I can. Just been having a run down this run. It's like the only good run that's here right now. Super fun, got lots of little jumps and stuff, so I'll try and get some footage of that. Yeah, let's have some fun, man. It's gonna be good. Bill? Yeah! Maybe he's going to go faster than me though, but we're going to find out. I'm going to straight line this thing all the way. It's a little bit slushy. Just have my board wax though, so it is looking good. Just spraying stuff in my face. Woo! Oh my god! Oh my god! It's like, guys, no! I can't see a fucking thing! Ah, my face! So we're going to try and ride down, even though there's no snow, with the booze! That was a good day one. Oh yeah. The boys are in the van. We're on the way to the pub.
Where the handouts grow on bushes and you sleep out every night. Where the boxcars.
Oh, Rex.
Day? Yeah? Smile on his face, that's what we like to see. Yes, yes, yes!
This yard sound.
was an insane weekend. I tried to film as much as I could, but I'll put up what I can. But for now, enjoy this view, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!